Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I will be showing you how I created this manicure using dip powders. Before we start, I just have a special announcement that I am now a new brand ambassador of Dip UK, so you can now use my code GRACE20 for 20% discount of your total purchase. And you can also check my affiliate link, which is in the description box below. So now into the video. So here are the powders that I will be using today, and these are from the brand Dip UK as well as Revel Nail. And here are the close-up look of the powder. So the first one is in the shade Aurora from Revel Nail. And here is the Summer Harvest from Dip UK. And this shade is one of their Summer Fresh Milk Bath collection. And for the liquids, I will be using the Revel Nail Pro Base as well as their activator. And for the top coat, I will be using my Blue Sky No Wipe top coat. So to start off, I will be applying nail dehydrator to all of my nails, and this will remove the natural oil on my nails. So the next, I move on to my Pro Base and I apply a thin layer of this on my nail and immediately dip my nail into the powder and then top off the excess. So for my pinky, ring, and thumb, I will be using the shade Aurora from Revel Nail. And I'll let you guys watch me do 3 coats of this powder and I'll be back. And I just want to mention that make sure you brush off all the excess powder before you move on to your next coat. Otherwise, your nails will gonna end up really thick and bumpy, and you will end up spending a lot of time with your buffing and filing. So make sure you brush off all the excess powder before moving to your next layer. So then once I'm finished with Aurora, I move on to the next shade, which is the Summer Harvest from Dip UK. So I pour the powder on my dip powder tray just because my nails are getting long and I find it difficult to lay my nail on top of the powder. So I just use my dip powder tray. So again, I apply a thin layer of the Pro Base on my nail and immediately lay my nail on top of the powder and then top off the excess. So I cover my nails with plastic and gently press my nails. This will help stick the chunky floral bits on my nails. So I will be applying 2 layers of this on my middle and pointy nails. I normally do 3 coats of the powder on my nails, but I found that with this powder, it's actually enough to just apply 2 coats. Unless you're not satisfied with all the floral bits on your nails, then of course you can go ahead and do 3 coats. So when I did my pointy nail with the first coat, there's no chunky floral bits that stick on my nails, but that's totally okay. All you need to do is shake your pot a little bit and then all the floral bits will go on top of your powder, and then you can do the second coat. So once I'm finished with my pointy nail, I move on to the clear powder to encapsulate my nails. This step is optional, but I highly recommend you encapsulate your nails. This will protect your colors from filing and buffing, especially when you are using some chunky glitters, floral bits, or foils on your nails. It's very important that you clear encapsulate it, otherwise you will file away all the beautiful design on your nails. So then once I'm finished with clear, I brush off all the excess powder and then move on to the activator. So I apply a generous amount of the activator on all of my nails. This will harden up the powder and make it ready for filing. Then after a few minutes, I file and buff off camera, and then I brush up all the dust and then clean my nails with alcohol spray. Next, I move on to my Blue Sky No Wipe Top Coat, and I apply 2 coats of this on my nails and cure it for 30 seconds. This step is optional. You can always use your dip powder top coat if you want to. So once my nails are cured, I apply cuticle oil, and we are done. That's it guys for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you on my next one.